Here at Lake Arbor Automotive Truck, our promise to the customer is that we do the right thing for you every time. My goal was to start a shop, advocate for the customer, and really just do the right thing for the customer. It has proved to be a very effective business model. And so what that means for us is that Gates is going to be the first choice of what we install.
In a shop like Lake Arbor Automotive, it's always a challenge to have the right parts on the shelf at the right time. Our partnership with Gates and NAPA Belts and Hose, we have a very large inventory to cover a broad spectrum of vehicles at hand that we can get delivered to him really quickly anytime they need it.
I'm Dave Hughes. I work for Gates Corporation. I am a factory representative for Gates assigned to NAPA Auto Parts. One of the most satisfying parts of my job is taking the experience, the knowledge that Gates provides for me, and extend that to the end user.
The most satisfying part of owning and operating Lake Arbor Automotive Truck is the fact that I get to do an honest, fair, and reasonable repair that truly has the best interest of the customer at heart. And it's been our experience that Gates products are the best choice.